Okay guys, today we are going to be, sorry about the camera, today we are going to be launching 50 Robux fireworks. Again, sorry about the camera, I'm having some technical difficulties. Yeah, we're just going to have my friend hold the camera. Okay, so here is the fireworks that we are going to be launching off today, guys. So many crazy fireworks. Okay, you guys, you ready? Launch. Oh, my bad. Launch. No, guys, I'm about to crash the game, bro. Oh my lord. I'm gonna crash the game, guys. Oh yeah, we're adding these as we go because, like, why not? That's another 1,500 launches. Holy crap, guys. This is insane. Oh, I forgot. We still got some more to go. This is going to be the biggest fireworks show on YouTube Firework Playground. Hopefully this game makes it out alive and it doesn't crash like the other one did, right? Okay, oh my god, we still have so much more. Guys, we still have so much more to go. Once we launch these off, I promise I'll show you the full show. Okay guys, I think after these, oh crap. I got boomed. It's so hard to see, guys. Oh my god. Dude, this is crazy. No, this is crazy. Okay, we are gonna be launching all of these off on channel 2. Go. I'm gonna let you watch this whole thing, guys. This is crazy, guys. I'm about to destroy the whole entire server. I got $5 million off that. This is crazy. This is the world's crazy. Yo! This is amazing. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you have a good time.